Alright, everybody, let's look at tutorial chapter 5, which is on circular motion. So the first question, the earth rotates about a vertical axis every 8.64 times 10 to the power 4 seconds. If an object at the equator, if an object is at the equator, we have to calculate its angular velocity, linear speed, linear speed, and the acceleration due to the rotation about the axis. So the radius is given, which is 6.37 times 10 to the power of 6 meter. Okay, so for this one, we have to calculate the angular velocity. Wait, before that, let me just extract the information that is given. So given is the period, which is equal to 8.64 times 10 to the power of 4 seconds. And then we are given the radius of the earth, which is 6.37 times 10 to the power of 6 meter. Okay, so we have to calculate its angular velocity, which is omega equal to 2 pi over t. Okay, so dari sini kamu substitute sajalah the value 8.64 times 10 to the power of 4. So you will then get the angular velocity to be equal to 7.27 times 10 to the power of negative 5 radian per second. Okay, next we have to calculate the linear speed. So linear speed is just a v equal to r omega. So a radius is given, and omega is the one that we've calculated just now, which is 7.27 times 10 to the power of negative 5. Okay, so substitute and then calculate that. You will get the velocity to be equal to 463 meter per second. Next, we have to calculate the acceleration due to the rotation about the axis. That is the asking about the centripetal acceleration. So that is AC equal to V square over R. Okay, so V is the one that we've calculated just now. 463 square divided by 6.376. So you will then get the centripetal acceleration to be equal to 0.0337 meter per second square. Okay, so that is the acceleration due to the rotation about the axis lah. Okay, so this is a very straightforward questions. This is just to test you on how you're gonna apply which formula you're gonna apply for certain sets of questions lah. Okay, so make sure if you are given this type of questions, know that you can just directly use the equations yang macam ni lah. Alright, okay, so that is on question number 1.